Welcome to Teacherplus. Now let's see the question. Respiration is, they have given 4 options. Now let us see which is the right option. Oxidation, catabolic reaction, endothermic reaction and oxyphosphorylation. Which is the right answer? Now let's see. Respiration is a process by which the food is oxidized in the cell and produce energy in the form of ATP is called respiration. Okay. The first one is oxidation. Oxidation means adding of oxygen. Okay. That is called oxidation. Yes, the respiration is oxidation. And catabolic reaction. Catabolic reaction which means breakdown. Okay. The breakdown of glucose and form energy. So this is catabolic reaction. And the third option is endothermic reaction. So this is wrong. Endo, which means inside. Okay, thermic means heat. So this reaction doesn't absorb heat. Okay, this process is produce the heat. Okay, so this is exothermic reaction. This is not endothermic reaction. The respiration is exothermic reaction. Okay. Have you remember what is photosynthesis reaction? That is endothermic reaction. And during the photosynthesis process, the plants absorb sunlight. So that is endothermic reaction. Okay, and the respiration is exothermic reaction. And the fourth option is oxyphosphorylation. This is the last step in the electron transport chain. Use oxygen and produce maximum of ATPs. 34 ATPs are released. Okay, and see here, oxidation is the right option, catabolic is the right option, and oxyphosphorylation is the right one. So this is the wrong answer. So endothermic, it's not a endothermic, it is a exothermic. Okay.